Make your Android feel smoother? You can do it by enabling one simple settings on Android 17. Whether you are using a Samsung or another Android phone, here's how to turn on adaptive refresh rate. First, if you're using a non-Samsung Android phone, open Settings, go to Display, then scroll down and tap Smooth Display. If it's currently set to 60 Hz, turn it on to enable a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. You will notice a smoother scrolling and animations right away. But if you're using a Samsung phone, open Settings, go to Display, then tap Motion Smoothness. By default, it may set to standard, which uses a 60 Hz refresh rate. Change it to adaptive. This allows your display to automatically switch up to 120 Hz when needed, making scrolling, animations, and gaming much smoother while also helping save battery. And that's it. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.